Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos, up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the markets. Bitcoin, a 4-hour chart. So you'll remember last video we talked about, if Bitcoin could break this overhead resistance level, looking for 48,000. Also, we mentioned this bearish divergence. The bulls needed to push higher to avoid this bearish divergence. And guess what? They were unable to do so. So you got this exacerbated move to the downside. Potentially, we talked about a move down to this lower trend line. And if you look, this wick all the way down here to 34,500 tested this previous resistance, which is now support. Also, this trend line as well. So it shows a lot of confluence here for Bitcoin. This really long wick. I mean, the bulls showed up and they bought this price back higher. I mean, Bitcoin's recovered amazingly well. Now, you got a daily and a weekly candle close coming for Bitcoin in about 17 minutes. So Asia's going to wake up. What is Asia going to see when they look at this chart? I mean, are they going to start buying Bitcoin? Again, the key here is the ideas of $48,000 Bitcoin are in the cards once we see a break above 41,279. Okay. I'm going to show you some of the smaller time frames, what I was looking at earlier today. So make sure, go over and follow me on TikTok. Let me just show you what was happening over on TikTok today. It's at cryptobitcoinchris on TikTok. I can give quick video updates, throughout the day. It's a lot easier, 1-minute videos instead of 5-hour videos and edits and whatnot. So I'm not super excited that this price action broke this diagonal trend line. Okay. The support level needs to hold for the Bitcoin bulls to prevent these bearish price targets, 37.6, 36.9, 35,400. You look at the 15-minute chart, you got a descending triangle. I mean, technically this is a bearish pattern, 64% chance that it does break to the downside. What's happening right now is you've got oversold RSI, you've got oversold stochastic, so it's normal. It's impossible bullish divergence on the histogram, so it's normal to get this type of bounce. So what we're watching for now is, will we come up and test this level after a breakout with, you got good volume. After a breakout, you see these retests, and this would be a bearish retest. And okay, so here we are, 15-minute chart. Okay, so now price action came back here and retested this level. Now the most important thing for the bulls is that they put in, the next low is higher than the previous low. Okay, it's essential. All eyes on Bitcoin. We're looking for this next low to be a higher low. A lower low, obviously, there would be more downside potential for Bitcoin. I've got some amazing shout outs in my trading group. This person said, thanks for the YFI setup. I took 66% profits. I've taken $9,600 in profits on altcoins since January the 1st. Life-changing money. This person said, I'm up almost $20,000 after taxes. I just want to cry. I'm so happy. This person, $90,000 in losses, right? He came across the channel on YouTube and he joined the VIP group. His new educated approach through my teachings, he managed to recoup his $90,000 plus another $17,000. Huge. Like right now, if you sign up and you pay in crypto for 6 months or 12 months, it's 50% off. Go to my website for more information, cryptorev.net. If you guys want to use Binance, you can go. There's a link to Binance International in the description. You can use PureVPN if you're in the United States. It's 86% off right now. Both those links are in the description. So this is Bitcoin Cash. Again, I posted this in the trading group. This is on the 6th, 4 days ago. By the breakout of this level, boom, what happened? Moved to the upside. Huge breakout. Remember, when Bitcoin pulls back, it gives the altcoins some breathing room. We're going to talk about Bitcoin dominance in a second, but these altcoins, I don't know if you were around in 2017 when Bitcoin did peak out, the altcoins took off, proceeded to hit all-time highs. So it's important to understand that, the money will flow into these altcoins. So the positive of any type of Bitcoin slowdown, retracement, sideways movement is that these altcoins have a lot of upside afterwards. And that's where, I prefer to make my money in these altcoins because they run. Just look, this thing ran from $450 to $625 in a day. All right, so Bitcoin dominance, again, you had this rising wedge, broke to the downside. Money flowed into the altcoins. Now it came down to support. It's bouncing. So what we want to see for the altcoins to continue to take off is, a continuation to the downside. I don't want to get too ahead of myself, but let's say this does bounce and then puts in another move here, right? And then continuation down to the downside. Essentially you got a complex head and shoulders type topping pattern, which this would mean altcoin season. Here we go. Right? It's already, you guys can see that these altcoins have taken off recently since, the first of the year. You've had a lot of good altcoin movement in this market. And so again, this is something that we need to consider. Ethereum setup I went over with you guys. It was by the breakout of this level. Ethereum immediately took off, pulled back, retraced to this same level. You could say that there's a rising channel here. Ethereum starting to break to the downside of this rising channel. Potentially the measured move we're looking for would be in this area around 1,070 or so. So again, hopefully the bulls show up like they did here. Hopefully the bulls show up here and buy up this move to the downside. Bitcoin is starting to act crazy. So I was finishing up this video and, you had this move to the upside and we're looking for a possible bearish retest. Just expect some massive volatility over the next 24 hours. It's the bottom line here. This is SNX. I gave you guys the setup. 11,800 people saw this on YouTube actually yesterday. SNX, solid bull flag, boom, moved to the upside. The strongest patterns recovered the fastest or didn't take very big hits at all in these altcoins, right? These altcoins get hit exponentially hard when Bitcoin pulls back. So this is an example. SNX, you can see hit the first profit target up 21%. But remember, SNX, this is not done. This is not done. Essentially, these targets are still valid. We could see $19 SNX. So this is comp USDT. Again, good technical pattern. I talked to you guys about this yesterday's video. 11,800 people saw this video. And comp, you had a breakout, move to the upside, 19% gains possible. And again, this is just starting. Potentially you'd buy the breakout of this level now. Still looking for $272 comp. This is DeFi coin, right? Why are we looking for $272? Because these highs over here, okay? Again, comp, very strong technical pattern. Be patient with these now. Let them run. REP. I'm trying to get these out to you guys real quick, so make a short video. You got this falling wedge. This is a BTC trading pair. So when BTC starts to slow down, all these BTC pairs, like altcoin season happens when the altcoins outperform Bitcoin. This is the performance of REP, Augur, versus Bitcoin. Okay, for it's a lot easier for REP to outperform Bitcoin if Bitcoin's not skyrocketing higher. So, I mean, essentially you want to buy the breakout of this level. Your Satoshi targets are over here. I mean, there's some upside here. These altcoins versus BTC have been destroyed. All right, so you're watching for some type of continuation to the upside because it has broke out, has retested here. OMG, this is one of those coins where a lot of people say, hey, Chris, what coins are you bullish on? Like, OMG is a top performer in altcoin season. It just is. OMG's got a lot of upside. You want to buy the breakout. I mean, essentially, you can buy the breakout of this falling wedge. Hasn't quite happened yet. With OMG, BTC, and again, for this to perform very well, Bitcoin just wants to move sideways. Bitcoin could even trend lower. OMG, BTC will perform very well. So I just want to get this quick video out to you guys. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.